The all-new Corolla Cross. Cross boundaries.
There's 4 major themes available. You get the crossover package, like the one that's in these pictures here that you see. You get the hybrid package, you get the urban sport package, and you get the adventure package. So in the crossover package, the following is additional as opposed to the standard vehicle. So that's the black mags, the front corner garnish, the front bumper spoiler, the silver piece at the bottom, the radiator grille garnish, the one that looks like the eyes on either side of the Toyota emblem. Then you've got the side skirts, you've got the rear bumper spoiler. Over and above that, you also have an option to, on the front grille, you can add a sticker red or a sticker in blue. That's also an additional optional. Crossover package costs 35,000.
35,000. And which cross is in the picture? Which cross?
The cross that's in the picture is the XS. Corolla Cross XS.
XS, is that the highest spec one?
That's the mid-range.
That's the mid-range.
Yeah.
So the highest spec is XR.
The highest spec is XR, low spec is XI. It can be fitted on any one of the specs.
Let's say so roughly it was.
The car proved itself.
Yeah. The
cost of ownership and overall package, what you're getting on this vehicle, is really value for money.
Very versatile vehicle.
Yes, right. And secondly, when it comes to quality, durability, and reliability, you can't beat.
The all-new Corolla Cross. Cross boundaries.